I was really hopeful when I bought this mount for my iPad that it would be useful in my minivan, but no matter what way I tried to set this up when I installed it, it just would not hold securely, and honestly, it just bounces around too much to be readable while you're driving for me. I couldn't get it to really be all that adjustable. I could basically get it set up in maybe two positions where it was actually, holding securely enough to use. Because you can't adjust the length on any of the sections, it's very difficult to actually position it in and around your dashboard and everything else. It's just kind of an awkward product. I also found the different adjustment points to be very difficult to work with, and they just have a lot of slop no matter how tight you get them. And when you make an adjustment, it's kind of a big adjustment, so it's really difficult to get the thing right where you want it. I hope this was a helpful, quick look. Be safe out there.